Welcome, can you solve this riddle? You have 10 seconds in each video. Leave the comment below. Let's get started. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case. When I am opened, I am released with a force that cannot be contained. What am I? A sneeze. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Footsteps. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? A map. What has keys but can't open locks? A piano. I am full of holes but still holds water. What am I? A sponge. I have a heart that doesn't beat in a bed, but I never sleep. What am I? An artichoke. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case. The more I age, the better I sound. What am I? Wine. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. I have keys but open no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? A keyboard. I am alive without breath and cold as death. I am never thirsty but always drinking. What am I? A fish. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? The future. I am the beginning of eternity, the end of time and space. What am I? The letter E. What has one eye but can't see? A needle. What has hands but can't clap? A clock. What has an end but no beginning? A rainbow. What has a ring but no finger? A phone. What has a head, a tail, but no body or legs? A coin. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting brain teasers. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be the first to know when the video release. Stay curious, keep challenging yourself, and let your creativity flow. Goodbye.